In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create points Civil 3D. Points are the backbone of many Civil 3D workflows. They mark survey shots, control locations, or design features, and they carry data that you can label, style, and manage across your project. Let's walk through the cleanest way to create them so you get accurate, organized results every time. First, open the Points tool. In the ribbon, go to the Home tab, find the Create Design panel, click Points, and then choose Create Points. That opens the Create Points tools and the command line prompts that guide you through placing and managing points. If you don't see the panel, make sure you're on the Civil 3D workspace so the correct tools are visible. Next, choose how you want to create your points. You have three core methods: manual, import, and on existing objects. Manual is great when you need to click exact locations or type coordinates directly into the command line. Import is ideal if you already have a survey file and want Civil 3D to create all the points from that data in one go. On existing objects lets you place points along AutoCAD or Civil 3D objects, such as polylines, alignments, or feature lines, which is perfect for sampling key spots on existing geometry. Pick the method that matches your source of information so you work efficiently and reduce errors. Before placing anything, set your point settings so what you create is labeled and organized from the start. For point number, you can allow automatic incrementing or type a specific number if you're matching a survey list. For style, select how the point will look in plan view. This controls the marker shape and visibility. Choose a layer that aligns with your project standards so points are easy to isolate, freeze, or plot correctly. If your template supports it, confirm the label style as well so elevations, descriptions, or point numbers display the way you expect. A quick note: consistent styles and layers save a lot of cleanup later. Now place your points. If you chose manual, click in the drawing where you need a point or type precise coordinates when prompted. Use object snaps to lock onto intersections or endpoints for accuracy. If you chose import, follow the prompts to bring in your file and Civil 3D will create the points automatically using your settings. If you chose on existing objects, select the lines or features, then specify spacing or pick exact locations along them. Take a moment to zoom in and verify the markers and labels look right. That's it. Your points are created, styled, and organized, ready for surfaces, alignments, and labeling.